The annotated bibliography. Why develop an annotated bibliography? The components of an annotated bibliography. A general overview. Specific instructions. Critical analysis questions. And putting it all together. Here you'll get an orientation to doctoral level thinking and skill development in research and writing. Here are some benefits. You'll become familiar with the process of locating literature. You'll advance your self-education. You'll see the strengths and weaknesses in existing research. You'll see how research is framed, conducted, analyzed, and reported, and you'll build your own collection of articles. What are the components of an annotated bibliography? There's bibliographic information in APA format. There's the author's abstract. There's your version of the abstract. And there's a critical analysis of the piece of literature. The process: find articles, read articles, and write your bib. First, you want to think about what topics are you looking for. What you may find is that there are no articles directly related to your topic. Of course there aren't, because you are looking at a gap in the knowledge. So what should you do? How about making a mind map to identify subtopics? There are many sites on mind mapping. Check these out. How will you evaluate each piece of literature? First, you're going to read the article and make notes. What's the article about in your own words, from your own viewpoint? What points resonate with you and why? What points are in disagreement with your position and why? What would you do differently if you were the author? What do you appreciate about the piece and why? How do you see this research adding to your writing? Write a thank you note to the author. What would you say? If you were the mentor of this author, how would you advise them to make the article better? And what have you learned about your subject as a result of reviewing? Add your own critical questions, but just make sure that they're open-ended questions. What are the components? Bibliographic information. Here's an example. The author's abstract. Here's an example of an author's abstract. Your version of the abstract. And here's an example. A critical analysis of the literature. Here's an example. First, keep in mind the questions. We've covered a lot, and now you are ready to begin your own annotated bibliography.